Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm talking you through the Mutt range. So we're newly appointed Mutt dealers, very excited to be so, and we're just taking our first delivery of bikes. So here I am just giving you a bit of an overview of the bikes that we've got and the range that we sell. So this is a Hilts 125, and as the name obviously denotes, it's a 125cc single cylinder, and this is an engine that's been around for quite a long time, so nice, robust and reliable. Mutt are more well known, I suppose, in the customizing scene. So a couple of years ago they got very serious about getting new riders into bikes, and brought out this range of retro styled lifestyle bikes, and they're fantastic. They're really good bits of kit, and that's why we stock them here at the Century. I'm going to give you a brief overview of this bike. So the Hilts, like all the other Mutts, are available in a range of colours. So if you want a different colourway, that's absolutely fine. We can get you one in. But just to give you an overview, so these are all retros, as I said. This is a little bit more classically styled, nice low seat height. This one has the same as most Mutts, got tube tyres. These are off-road style tyres, but they are a little bit more road biased, so you don't get a lot of noise or vibration through them. But basically, if you wanted to do a bit of scrambling, you could do. It comes with a single disc. It's very lightweight, doesn't need twin discs, but it does have a combined braking system. So you may or may not know, bikes need to have either ABS or combined braking. This has the latter, and basically what that means is when you depress the rear brake, it also brakes a single part in the front caliper. The advantage of that as a new rider, of course, is that it helps to balance the bike, particularly at slow speeds, filtering through traffic, that sort of thing. And as a new rider, that is an advantage, I'd say. Lots of style cues, you know, that make it look like a retro. You know, the short mud guard, the guard over the front headlight, the fork gaiters, that sort of thing. But lots of nice modern touches as well. Obviously fuel injection, LED indicators, digital clocks, that sort of thing. Like I said, a range of colours, but I really like this. It's like a satin finished green, which offset against the brown seat. Looks really, really cool. Like I said, relatively low seat height. You could take a pillion on this if you wanted to, if you've got a full license. And these seats are actually leather hand stitched in Birmingham, would you believe? Really nice low slung exhaust, flat tracker style, twin shocker, so these bikes deal very well with UK bumpy roads. And towards the back, as I said, we've got LED indicators and a nice little tail light as well. Really tidy back end, looked very, very sharp. Slightly different bars on these compared to the others. So these have got almost like motocross flat bars across the top, which looks really, really nice, really retro. And again on this side, very much the same. No centre stand on these, just a side stand. Very easy chain adjusters. So if you're doing your own maintenance, day-to-day maintenance at home, really easy to work on. Comes with a 2-year warranty. Also comes with breakdown cover as well, which is nice to have. Also comes with 2 keys and all the usual paraphernalia you'd expect. Very simple gauges. This is all you need on this sort of bike. Rev counter, obviously your speed, fuel, and then gear position as well. Again, when you're just starting out, having a gear position indicator is a nice thing to have. Let's give it a start up for you. Nice sound from a single cylinder. It's the right sort of engine for this bike. Retro should all be singles in my opinion. It's quite quiet. Your neighbours will thank you for that if you did decide to use this every day, and it can be used every day. They're robust, they're well built, and economical as well, so cheap to run if you want to use it as a commuter. Being a main dealer, we can offer finance, we can offer part exchange and delivery. If those are things that you're interested in, or if you've got any questions at all about the Mutt range, please contact us. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the socials. Pick up the phone and ask us any questions that you've got, or feel free to come in, try the bike on for size, and you can view the rest of the bikes that we have in stock. That's it from me. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.